Welcome back to Spectrum News 1, everybody. I'm meteorologist Robert Suhr. Another check of your forecast. We are now into the second half of July. We're about a month past the first day of summer, and our days are starting to get shorter. And you look at how much daylight portions of the country lose throughout the month of July. It's greatest the northern part of the country, but even for us, we lose about a half hour or so throughout the month of July. Obviously, the further north you go in the state, it's a little bit closer to 30 minutes than toward the south. And you look at our sunset time in the metro, not terribly noticeable right now. So back on the first day of summer, our sunset was 9:10. Tonight it's 9:03, but we're now into that part of July where we're losing over a minute of daylight a day. So definitely noticing things getting darker a little bit sooner, and that'll really pick up once we get into August. Now, if you've got plans over the next couple of days to take care of your car because it's covered in bugs and filth, well, Mother Nature may be doing it for you over the next couple of days, especially in the afternoon and evening with those pop-up shower and storm chances, which we will see yet again as we go through the afternoon and into the early evening. Although I will say coverage will most likely be a little bit less than what we saw yesterday, probably closer, more coverage further to the south, as we've got this stationary boundary continuing to sort of dance around us, and that's really acting as the focal point at times for these showers and storms. And this boundary is going to kind of wobble as we go through the next 24 hours and then lift back toward the north as we get toward tomorrow, and we'll sort of do this forecast all over again. If we get a storm today, one or two of those south of the metro could be on the severe side with mainly a damaging wind threat, so just keep that in mind. But an average day temperature-wise, remaining very muggy with highs upper 80s and a few lower 90s. Heat index values, what it feels like outside, probably in the mid to upper 90s at times. A very typical late July day across the metro. Low temperatures by tonight, fairly similar to where we were this morning. Lower to mid 70s with a couple of showers and thunderstorms possible, but that coverage should wane after the sun sets. We are then watching, as we show you the 7-day, as we get into next week, especially the second half of next week, temperatures really starting to warm up